So guys, this is the photo which we're gonna edit just for like Costaryza, who is a very famous Instagram profile. If you don't know, then just search on Instagram and do follow that profile. Now if you will notice, then you will find the highlights, or the photo highlight is very much desaturated. So we're gonna just decrease the highlights of the photo, and we're gonna just increase the contrast in order to get the black matte effect in the photo and more darker effect. Also we're gonna just reduce the shadows to get more and more darker effect. So we're gonna make a perfect matte green effect to that particular black effect. So we're gonna just first of all make a more darker shades in the photo. Also we're gonna just make a little bit of blackness, increase the blackness, and let's select the tone curve. And with the help of tone curve, first of all we're gonna just select the hue HSL tab and just reduce the saturation of this blue tone to around -80. Also the aqua color to around -80, purple to around 78 or 80. Also do the same process in the magenta. Now here is the main thing, that we're gonna just make the green color to kind of perfect aqueous green. So we're gonna just increase it to +93. Also we're gonna just make the yellow tone to plus around 75 or 70, and we're gonna just reduce the green saturation to get that perfect greenish effect. So we're gonna just reduce the saturation of the green tone. Also you can just adjust it from here. Now select the curve tone and click one point over here, another point over here, and just pump up from the bottom to get the perfect matte effect or the matte look in the photo. So just add a little bit of pump up from the bottoms of the curve. Now add a little bit of sharpening over here, and now go to the shadows and pick the green color from here. So let's just select the green tone. So here is the perfect green tone, and now we're gonna just reduce the saturation of that to make it around 15 or 10 would be pretty much perfect, between 15 to 10, or let's select the 13. Now here we're gonna add a vignette in the photo to make it look more and more deep dark photo. You can still adjust the HSL color. So we're gonna just add the luminescence, increase the luminescence of the red and orange tone to brighten up the skin of the model. So we're gonna do the same process. You can also increase or decrease the highlights of the photo. That is totally up to you. According to the photo, different types of photo, you have to adjust the highlights. So you can just do it by after applying the preset also. And now here we're gonna add highlights to the photo to kind of violet colors, just a little bit. Tint would be pretty much perfect of that highlights violet color. And now guys, you can see the difference here. Let's add a vignette in the photograph to get the perfect nice and retouch to the photo to make it look more and more amazing, deep dark green matte effect, just like Costaryza. So let's just add a vignette in the photo. And guys, you can see the difference. It is really looking very amazing and perfect, just like Costaryza. And now we're gonna just save this preset to let's name it as FP Costaryza AVC 2020. Costaryza inspired. AVC stands for ashvircreations 2020. FP stands for filter preset, which is our second website, www.filterpreset.com. Now let's take some of the photos and let's apply the same preset with the help of this Lightroom application. Guys, you can also download this Lightroom application for your mobile also, with the help of mobile Lightroom DNG preset. I'll also give that link for free in the description. And also guys, you can just download the camera preset file of the same Costaryza inspired preset XMP file for your camera in Photoshop. So all the three links for your PC Lightroom, as well as camera preset, as well as mobile Lightroom preset DNG, I'll put the links in the description. So guys, you can see the difference is really looking amazing. You can just apply to it some of the photos and just stand out from the rest, and just edit the photo and the color effect just like them. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, and if you still not subscribed, then subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com, and follow us on Instagram, that is ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching.